In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure in order to diagnose, remove, and replace your vehicle's starter solenoid. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper way to diagnose the wiring from the solenoid to the battery and from the solenoid to the starter. What that will do is isolate the entire system, the ignition switch, the battery wiring in the battery, and the starter wiring and the starter to indicate that our solenoid has failed. What I'll do is take my test light and hook it up to the negative side of the battery and measure the positive circuit. As you'll see, it'll light up. I got my negative right on the battery terminal, right to the positive side. What that's doing is testing the conductivity through that wire back into the battery and through to the ground side. As you can see, we have good connection. I'll go ahead and do it a couple times for you. What we'll then do is test the other side of the circuit. So I'm going to have to take my test light and hook it up to the positive side of the battery, and we'll check the ground side of the circuit. I'm going to go ahead and touch the other terminal. As you can see, the light lights up. What that's doing is testing the ground side of the circuit from here all the way through the wiring to the starter, through the starter motor, back through the body, and into the battery. That is the proper way to isolate your starter solenoid from the rest of the electronic systems.